with me with the podcast. So today we are talking about something that affects all of us, even if we don't always realize it. Deforestation, not just trees being cut down, but the environmental, social, and economic dangers that come with it. So, Salsa, when you hear the word deforestation, what the first thing that comes to your mind?
Honestly, a mix of frustration and worry. It feels like one of the problems we have talked about for years, but it's still happening at such a massive scale. Forests are not just trees, they are a life system. If they're gone, so many things start.
Okay, so exactly. Let's start with the environmental impact, especially climate change. Forests are often called the lunch of the earth, but I think the people forget how to literal that is.
Yeah, forests absorb carbon dioxide and help regulate the planet's temperature. When trees are cut down, not only do we lose that natural carbon stored, but the carbon trapped in those trees is released back into the back bagian gue ya. Yeah, forests absorb carbon dioxide and help regulate the planet's temperature. When trees are cut down, not only do we lose not that natural carbon stored, but the carbon trapped in those trees is released back into the atmosphere. That just makes warming worse.
So this is for the scary part. How is fast the cycle accelerates. I heard temperatures lead to drought and wildfires, which then destroy even more forests. It's like a chain reaction that hard to stop once it starts.
Right, and climate change isn't just about hotter weather. It affects rainfall patterns, production, and even water availability. So deforestation isn't a distant environmental issue. It directly impacts our daily lives.
So the another major consequence is wildfire extinction. Forests are home to millions of species, many of which can survive anywhere else.
That part really breaks my heart. When forests are cleared, animals lose their homes instantly. Some species can adapt or move, but many can't. That's how we end up losing species before we even fully understand them.
So and when one species disappear, it disrupts the entire ecosystem. Predator lose prey, plants lose pollinators. It's all connected.
Exactly. Nature works like a balance system. Deforestation, throws that balance off, and the effect ripple outward in ways we can always predict.
So now let's talk about natural disaster because this is something people often don't connect deforestation.
True forests play a huge role in preventing disaster. Tree roots help hold soil together, which reduce the risk of landslide and floods. When forests are cleared, especially in hills areas, heavy rain and cause massive flooding.
Okay. And we've seen that happen in many parts of the world. Flood, landslide, even drought become more intense without forests to regulate the weather cycle.
What's frustrating is these disasters are often labeled as natural, when in reality, human action like deforestation make them far worse.
That brings us to the social impact. particularly on local and indigenous communities.
This is such as important point. Many communities depend on forests for food, shelter, medicine, and income. When deforestation happens, they don't just lose land; they lose their way of life.
And often they are not the one benefiting economically from deforestation. Large company profit while local people are left dealing with pollution, poverty, and displacement.
Exactly, it creates social inequality. Indigenous knowledge, culture, and traditions are erased along with the forests. That loss is impossible to replace.
Okay, so speaking of economic, some argue that deforestation is necessary for economic growth. What's your take on that?
I think that's a short-term mindset. Sure, logging on land clearing and can break quick profits, but in the long run, it costs way more. Damage ecosystem mean hydro disaster recovery costs, loss of tourism, and reduced agricultural productivity.
So instead of sustainable growth, we end up with long-term economic damage.
Exactly, sustainable forest management and eco-friendly industries actually create jobs while protecting the environment. The problem isn't development; it's irresponsible development.
So after looking at all this impact, environmental, social, and economic, how do you personally personally feel?
I feel concerned but not hopeless. Awareness is growing and people are starting to care more about where their products come from. Small action like reducing paper waste, supporting sustainable blends, and spreading awareness do matter.
Well, well said. Deforestation isn't just an environmental issue; it's a human issue, and how we respond to it will shape the world we leave behind.
Exactly. If we see forests as something valuable, not just a resource to exploit, we can start making better decisions for the future.
Okay, and on that note, so thank you for Salsa, and thank you for everyone to listening. Let's keep the conversation going to and to our part to protect what left. Thank you.